Quick sprint now over to GC Faster, where High's Alana Reid won the clash with fellow world under-20 medalist Serena Cole of Edwin Allen in the 100 meters, which was one of the standouts on day one of the two-day Central Athletics Championships on Wednesday.
World Under-20 100-meter silver medalist Serena Cole taking on World Junior 200-meter bronze medalist Alana Reid was one of the races to watch on day one of the Central Athletics Championships, and it was Reid who delivered. The High sprinter clocked 11.39 seconds into a 2.3 meter per second headwind to defeat Cole, who eased down at the end before crossing the line in 11.93. St. Catherine's Kamaria Knight clocked 12.12 for bronze.
I always know that I can do my best. No matter what, I always follow my coach's instruction. And I always tell myself that God is with me. So I just came out here and I did what I had to do, and I'm proud of my performance.
Homewood Technicals Maria Baker won in Class 4 in 12.52. Veer Technicals Tiana Oliver won in Class 3 in 12.27. And the Class 2 event was won by Kiara Meikle in 12.14. Manchester's Javoon Blair won the boys equivalent in 10.70 seconds into a negative 1.8 meter per second wind, ahead of Clarendon College's Richard Nelson 10.81 and Tajay Duffus of St. Jago 10.88.
So it's kind of sticky, you know, because never get a good start and
open for girls.
Never so pretty at all.
St. Jago's Detarje Morgan won the Class 2 event in 11.18 seconds, with his schoolmate Ray J. Reese winning the Class 3 event in 11.40. St. Jago's Javon Pinnock was in meet record form, clocking 52.35 seconds to take the Class 1 400-meter hurdles, ahead of Edwin Allen's Tyrese Hyman, who was also below the previous meet record as he clocked 52.52 seconds. The previous mark was 52.93 set by Shamar Brown in 2020. St. Jago's Jaheen Bell took bronze in 53.27.
I have to thank my coach, Bertland Cameron. He taught me a lot from last year, which is my early coach also, and my 400 coach also.
The girls' 1500 meters were split amongst the top three schools in the standings, with Homewood's Jodianne Mitchell taking Class 1 in a meet record 4 minutes 30.31 seconds, Monique Stewart taking Class 2 in 4 minutes 41.23, and Edwin Allen's Kevon Gay Fowler taking Class 3 in 4 minutes 48.13. The championships concludes tomorrow. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.